Hey everyone, I have two small destashes of some Tim Holtz stuff. We have lot 1 and lot 2. Both are going to be $20 shipped. Some of the items are unopened, unused. Some of them, and I'll point them out, have been opened and partially used. But I think it's a good deal. I was going to ship these in a flat rate box, but I think I can get them in like a $4 regular bubble wrap envelope, so that's what I'm going to try to do. And so it's a good deal in any event, but I just don't feel like I'm going to use most of these products, so I'd rather have them go to someone who would. When I was doing my index cards for the Smash Your Stash collab, I realized I had all these extra things that I don't think I'll probably use. I don't do as much mixed media as I used to. I love doing it, but I don't have time between jewelry and Stampin' Up and just other things to get to it. So lot 1 has this unopened, unused 10-piece. There's 2 of these wings, 2 of these wings, 2 each of these, so 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 2 crowns, 1 large and 1 small. So that is an unopened pack. 2 of these smaller mini pocket watches, unopened pack. 1 pocket watch unopened, the regular size. And I don't think, yeah, 5 pieces. So this is unopened also, the clock faces. I do like that. I might have been able to use that, but I don't know. And then this compass coins, there were 4. Obviously 1 is out that I used. And this Baroque frames, there were 2. 1 has been used. I think I used it to alter a jar and put it on the front of a jar at one point. So that is lot 1, $20 shipped. So, you know, if shipping is $4+, then that would be $16 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs in that one. Even though 1 is partially, 2 of them are partially used. So that's lot 1. And lot 2, we also have another pocket watch, a regular size one. We have some gears, all 5 pieces. This one slipped out of place, but there are 5 in there unopened. These faucet knobs, all 4 knobs unopened. Now these keys, there are 2 out of it, so there were 7. There's still 5 left in it. I don't remember what the 2 look like. And also these 3 keyholes, which I had bought, looks like from Jen Evers, for $4. Anyway, they're unopened. They're all in there. So they'd be nice on a journal or something. And see, I don't make that many journals and stuff. So, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4 unopened, plus the keys opened in that one. So both those lots are $20 shipped. If the same person buys it, it's still going to be $40 because the shipping is going to go up for me if I have to mail them together. I'll probably end up having to do it in a medium flat rate or something because it won't fit in a small flat rate for all of these. So just so you know, there's no discount if you get both because they're already discounted. All right, everyone, email me. I'm going to turn comments off. I will put my email address to use, which is, well, I'll put it in the description down below. Email me which lot you're interested. That way I have a timestamp who gets it first. First come, first serve, and I will mark in the description box when they're sold. If they both sell, I'll obviously put it in the title, sold out or something like that. So that is all I have, just 2 small destashes, and I will talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.